Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Military Stage channel. On April 25, 2022, the British Defence Secretary of Defence announced that the United Kingdom will send to Ukraine an undisclosed number of Stormer tracked armoured vehicles fitted with the Starstreak high-velocity missile air defence missile system. With these pictures released on social networks, we can confirm that the British Stormer Starstreak HVM air defence missile systems are now deployed by the Ukrainian armed forces. Ukraine first received man-portable Starstreak launchers, or MANPADS, from the UK in March. And by April 1, 2022, a Starstreak was already credited with downing a relatively advanced Mi-28N Havoc attack helicopter in eastern Ukraine, apparently blasting its tail off. Now, the Stormer Starstreak air defense missile system donated by the UK to Ukraine is based on the CVRT light tracked reconnaissance armored vehicle family, but with a suspension of 6 wheels instead of 5 wheels. The design of the vehicle is similar to the Spartan, the armored personnel carrier version of the CVRT family. In 1986, the Stormer chassis was selected by the British Army as the platform for the Thales Air Defence Starstreak HVM system. Series production of this version commenced at the then Alvis manufacturing facility in Coventry in late 1991. Like most modern AFVs, Stormer can be produced in several different configurations for different battlefield roles. It is marketed by BAE as being available in several configurations, such as a 2-person turret armed with a 25mm cannon, air defense with guns or missiles, an engineer vehicle, a recovery vehicle, an ambulance, a mine layer, an 81mm or 120mm mortar carrier, a command and control vehicle, a bridge layer, and a logistics vehicle. Optional equipment includes a nuclear biological chemical protection system, an amphibious kit, passive night vision equipment, and an air conditioning system. The design of the Stormer Starstreak consists of the driver's seat at the left front, the engine compartment to the right, and the missile launching station at the rear. The hull of the Stormer is made of all-welded aluminum armor which provides protection against the firing of small arms and artillery shell splinters. The Stormer Starstreak is fitted with a launching station armed with 8 Starstreak missiles in the ready-to-launch position, with additional missiles being carried in reserve. Mounted on the turret roof to the right of the commander's cupola is the Thales acquisition sight, and mounted between the 2 banks of 4 Starstreak missiles is the Thales Optronics air defense alert device, which is passive. The British Army used Stormer equipped with high-velocity missile, the Starstreak and Martlet AK, a lightweight multi-role missile for short-range air defense. Under the Army 2020 plan for the British Armed Forces, Stormer HVM was to equip 3 regular and 2 reserve artillery batteries. The reserve batteries have since all been converted to HVM lightweight multiple launcher to reduce the training burden. The Starstreak is a surface-to-air missile that launches 3 laser beam riding submunitions, increasing the likelihood of a successful hit on the target. The missile is designed to destroy aerial targets such as helicopters and high-speed ground attack aircraft. The Starstreak missiles are powered by a 2-stage solid propellant rocket motor, and they can fly at 3 times the speed of sound. After launch, a Starstreak missile quickly accelerates to Mach 4, roughly 3,000 miles per hour. It is the fast surface-to-air missile ever made. Each missile carries 3 high-density darts with impact fuses and explosive warheads to realize multiple impacts on the target. As the engine's second stage burns out, the darts are released. The missiles have a range of 1,500 to 5,500 meters and are capable of neutralizing low-flying aircraft, including ones with high performance. They have a service ceiling of 1,000 meters. The Starstreak HVM relies on a semi-automatic line-of-sight laser beam riding guidance system. The operator guides the missiles on the target by tracking the target using an optically stabilized sight. Starstreak missiles can also hit ground targets, as the darts are believed to have sufficient kinetic energy to pierce the front armor of an infantry fighting vehicle. Compared to the man-portable Starstreak, the 13.5-ton Stormer vehicles are easier to operate, and Ukrainian forces will be able to speed to locations at 50 miles per hour, fire the missile, and then leave. With its greater mobility, the HVM Stormer can be used to escort vehicle convoys. For example, Stormer's armor, though thin, is resilient to small arms, medium machine guns, and shrapnel from artillery. But most intriguingly, the Stormer-mounted Starstreaks benefit from powerful sensors and fire control systems, a Thales acquisition sight in the turret cupola, and an air defense alert device nested between the quad missile launchers. A DAD or air defense alert device is a passive, all-weather day or night infrared search and track system that can manage engagement with up to 4 targets in a queue, detecting aircraft up to 5.6 miles away and helicopters at 3.7 miles. Furthermore, the vehicle-mounted DAD can automatically slew the targeting sight onto an aircraft, rather than relying on manual direction from the gunner to keep the sight pointed at a potentially fast and evasive aircraft. That should significantly improve odds of an intercept for each missile fired. On the downside, an armored vehicle is harder to conceal than a 2-person missile team. However, at least the Stormer HVM doesn't rely on active radar, which air defense suppression missiles are optimized to home in on and destroy. Like the videos released in March and May 2023 by the Russian Ministry of Defense, of video footage showing HVM Stormer being attacked by Russian ZALA Lancet roaming ammunition. The Stormer and Starstreak combination will be a huge boost to Ukraine's fighting capability, said Col Richard Kemp, a former commander of British troops in Afghanistan. It is an extremely effective, highly mobile combat vehicle that will do severe damage to any attempts at low-level attack by Russia's air force. Therefore, time will tell if Kyiv can logistically integrate a new class of vehicle and train personnel to operate and maintain it quickly enough to affect the huge armor and artillery battle brewing in eastern Ukraine.